MSc Marketing Science program at Nanyang Business School is designed to equip students with a comprehensive understanding of the dynamic marketing landscape. With a holistic curriculum that blends theoretical knowledge with practical application, the program emphasizes the importance of cutting-edge and emergent technologies in shaping today's marketing strategies. Another notable feature of our program is its commitment to sustainability, which is increasingly vital in today's business environment.
So I chose the MMS program because of its innovative curriculum that combines technology with marketing together. It is exactly what I was looking for. And now that I began my study here, I've been really impressed by the supportive faculty and the engaging activity and how well the program prepares us for the future challenges.
I choose MSc Marketing Science at Nanyang Business School because it offers a unique blend of advanced analytics, consumer insights, and strategic marketing. The curriculum is designed to equip students with the tools needed to navigate rapidly evolving marketing landscape.
I enrolled in the MMS program because of its practical, project-based approach rather than focusing solely on exams. It's hands-on and immersive, which means I'm genuinely gaining skills and experience that I can use in real-world situations. Another great thing is the program's partnerships with real-world companies. Working on projects for these businesses gives me a practical exposure to actual marketing challenges and solutions.
Marketing Science Master Program provided me with more than just expertise in marketing across the globe. It offered me a profound new perspective to analyze both the external environment and my own path.
The MMS program at NBS has helped me understand both B2B and B2C marketing, which has been critical in my current work. On the B2B side, I've learned how to identify the unique selling points of our clients and help them reach their target audience. On the B2C side, I gained insights into customer behavior and engagement, which has helped me grow our Cryptosonic project. The program focus on building strong relationships has also been key in developing long-term partnerships with both business and individual users.
So I think the top 3 skills that I picked up in this marketing course is number 1, storytelling and pitching. So through various projects, whether individual or team projects, I was able to hone my presentation skills, which is an important ability not just in my career, but in life in general. And the second skill I picked up was networking skills. Through this career fairs, alumni gatherings, and career coaching that the school provides, it helps me become more comfortable during networking sessions. I think the third thing that's most important is to pick up the relevant professional knowledge. Through courses like strategic marketing, branding, B2B marketing. Even for me, right now I'm working in public relations, I still use a lot of the techniques I picked up in integrated marketing communications in my day-to-day work.
And through this blend of rigorous academic training and hands-on experience, our program cultivates a new generation of marketing leaders ready to tackle the challenges of tomorrow.